Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 F-150 XLT in shadow black with grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5 foot box. This has a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's a 4x4, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with a manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here. Lighting controls. There's a grab handle in the body, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading. And you're seeing there the menu, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You also have Tow Haul in Sport on your automatic shifter, and when you press this, you'll see it appear to the right, and then S for Sport, and off again. You've got a little cubby up at the top here, traction control, hazard lights, and your display screen gives you the temperature outside as well as the time, and your media choices of AM, FM, as well as satellite radio and CD. Below that is your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and you have your climate control with AC and max AC and front defrost. Off to the side, 4x4, there's a little cubby underneath, and down below, again, USB and 12 volt outlet. In the center you have an armrest and more storage in there, and then you can flip this up for an extra seating position. You can also unclip underneath, and you can flip out those cup holders and more storage. Off to the side is a 12 volt. You also have a locking glove compartment, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and in the body on the passenger side you have a grab handle, making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic cab step, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And when you're ready to open up the tailgate, simply undo the latch by pulling. And inside you've got a nice 5.5 foot box. It's got tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, you can close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it down, simply pull the clip. At the base, you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and on the floor, all-weather mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center, a couple of cup holders and a 12 volt. In the body, a grab handle up above, lights and hooks, and in the back, access to a big window. Bumper, 5.5 foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.